Hello, this is Chase with PCS Software. Thank you for joining us today. In this video, we're going to be going over some different tools, tips, and tricks that can help you run a more effective, more efficient operation. In today's video, we're going to be going through Cortex, talking about some of our newer tools, in this case, the Backhaul Booster. Now, this is really a tool that can help simplify and automate the process of finding backhaul loads so that you can get your drivers where they need to be. You can help eliminate deadhead mileage, and you can allow your dispatchers to focus on higher level tasks rather than chasing something to fill the gaps in between. So let me go ahead and share my screen, and we'll just quickly walk through the motions of how you can use this tool. So here we are in Cortex, and I've already got my list of en-route loads pulled up, where maybe for some of these, I still need to find a backhaul to cover it. So on any one of these loads, in this case, I'm going to pick on this one in Fargo, North Dakota. I can come over to the right side menu and find my Backhaul Booster button. Now, what this is going to do is allow me to search within a radius of that last delivery location to find additional pickup locations. I can also specify different equipment types if I need to make sure I'm looking for only flatbed or maybe only drive-in or some other equipment type. And that's going to show me a list of all the shippers and brokers that I've worked with in the past out of this particular area so that I can make some decisions on the backhaul I'm looking for. In this case, it showed me some basic information like the lane, the customer that I've worked with, the rates, and the weight. Now, once I've kind of scrolled through here and I've found an example that I'm looking for, we've got a couple buttons on the right side here. The email button is a very simple email template. This is a template that you can define yourself. In my case here, it has basic information saying, here's what we hauled for you in the past, here's what we charged, we've got a driver in the area, do you have anything available? You will be able to customize this to your own liking. So that's just a nice simple email button for a passive way to help find those backhauls. But just next to that, we have the call button. And this will actually queue up our AI voice agent named Cora. Now, this is not your typical AI voice agent where it may ask for press 1 for this option and 2 for this option. This is an intelligent voice agent that can actually have a conversation on your behalf. It can even negotiate rates for you. And you'll be able to find the parameters of how that voice agent actually works and the kinds of negotiating it can do. But that will call the shipper in this case and basically say the same information. Hey, we've got a driver in the area. Here's what we've hauled for you in the past. Do you have anything available for us in the near future? And it will take all of that information that it ingests in the phone call and turn it into an opportunity that you can move forward with. And so really, again, the idea there is to simplify and automate the process of finding those backhauls so that your team, your dispatchers can focus on those higher level tasks, chasing and finding the freight that you want, the profitable freight, rather than the stuff that's just hopefully filling in the gaps. If you have any questions on how any of this works, or you'd like to see maybe a more in-depth demo, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to get that scheduled. Thank you for your time and have a great day.